Hey guys, if you are finding it so difficult connecting fundamental buyers to technical charts like this, stay tuned to this video is over. I'm going to be listing 5 steps you are going to be using to connect your fundamental buyers to technical charts, alright, and take a trade. Step 1 on how to connect your fundamental to technical charts. First of all, you need to get your fundamental buyers, which is your directional buyers. You need to get your directional buyers. And how can you get these directional buyers? You need to understand that what fundamentals answer this question: which side should I favor? Which side should I favor? Not where to enter. For example, you are noticing FOMC coming up and it's going to be affecting both the USD and the CAD. So you are paying attention to USD CAD, and you notice the Federal Reserve is speaking on this language. USD is dovish, which is telling us that what USD is bearish. And we notice Bank of Canada speaking on this language. USD is hawkish. CAD is hawkish, which is telling us that what CAD is bullish. Now on the USD CAD, since USD is bearish and CAD is bullish, and USD is the base currency, CAD is the quote currency, which is telling us that what USD is going to be dropping, which is telling you that you should sell the USD CAD, which is your buyers. Now you have gotten your first buyers that what USD CAD is going to sell. So now you do not enter yet. This is your first clue that USD CAD is going to sell. Second step I wrote out here is what step 2. Mark key technical zones before the news. So before the news, you are going to be marking your key technical zones like I mark out here, you are going to be marking them. So on your 1 hour time frame or on your 4 hours time frame, you are going to be marking your previous highs or lows, your liquidity highs or lows, your supply and demand zones. So these are your key structure levels you are going to be marking out. These are the areas institutions react from. These are the areas they react from: your demand levels, your previous highs and lows. So these are the areas institutions react from. Before the news, you are going to be marking them. This is called pre-news positioning. It positions you before the news. Step 3, after you have marked out your key levels, you wait for the news volatility. You notice at the release, you'll be expecting spikes plus fake moves. You expect liquidity taking above the highs or low like this. Now you expect the spike, boom, liquidity taking above these highs. So at this point, you are not buying yet, you are not selling yet. You look for technical confirmations in the direction of your buyers, like the buyers we got on the step 1, that USD CAD is going to go bearish, that we are selling the USD CAD. Now we saw news happened, and what happened? Price came back in and broke inside the keyboards, giving us a strong rejections. So what you're going to do is what you drop down to the lower time frame, to your 15 minutes time frame, and you saw what happened. Price started giving you a lower lows, a lower highs, a lower low, to the directions you were expecting it, because we are expected to sell USD CAD, and price started giving us this lower low and lower highs. So now fundamentals plus technical are now aligned. They have aligned. So it's time to execute like a professional. You enter after confirmations. Your stop loss will be beyond liquidity, and then you target to the next structural levels. For example, we discovered that technical and fundamental have aligned, and we wait for price to make a retracement here. Couldn't break any of the highs here, and you notice price gave us a confirmations, and we follow the sellers. Your stop loss will be above this liquidity, then you follow the sellers targeting to the next kilo price created before giving us that impulsive move. So this is how you can follow the news professionally. This is how you can execute it professionally. Always use these simple rules when connecting fundamentals to technicals. You need to understand that fundamentals gives directions, technical gives timing, and then liquidity gives you confirmations when to actually buy and when to actually sell. So this is it, guys. Don't forget to link in my bio to join my community. Alright, take care and bye for now.